3 reasons why you're not making money with TikTok. Number 1, you're not building a list. List building is crucial for any growing, budding business. An email list allows us to capture an audience that is interested in our brand, giving tremendous value to your list, recommending good affiliate products, or even selling your own courses and products to your list. This is how top-tier companies rake in a ton of money, by not only giving value to their list, but by offering things like discounts, selling their products online, you name it. Number 2, selling your own merch or products. With TikTok, you don't have to be a guru or a master at any known subject. If you have value or information or education you could offer your niche that puts you as an authority, offer that and package that into a course. Sell it to somebody. Buying education information is huge. Number 3, affiliate products. There's no reason why you can't be having a beacons.page link and be filling it with affiliate offers that are related to your niche. At the end of each TikTok, have a call to action telling users to go and click. Follow my profile for more ways to make money online, YouTube, and TikTok.